Yeah. You are the first to stage the 1% believe when we say National Assembly, but we are just too hungry, and you just can't seem to agree when we say we want a constitution. Tell me why ain't nothing but monarchy. Tell me why can't have a democracy. Tell me why you never wanna hear us say French Revolution. We will storm Bastille and end the regime to Louis the 16th. You will be guillotined. Tell me why ain't nothing but monarchy. Tell me why can't have a democracy. Tell me why you never wanna hear us say French Revolution.
In Britain, machines would